Timing cover's going on now. Two more.
Looks like it is.
Yeah, let's get them right here.
Yeah. I don't hear no crack. Yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna tighten it down. I'm gonna put harmonic balancer on first.
Okay.
It'll align the
It'll
seal.
align the seal.
Normally I don't.
That's a
do
little
this.
secret.
I mean, normally I don't do this, but it makes it.
It helps align the seal
yeah.
just
'Cause
right.
a lot of people have problem with the valve. I mean the seal on the bottom.
Yeah.
Because it's off alignment. And then we go flip the motor.
That makes
over.
sense because there is room for it to move around.
They have a guy, like a plastic,
Yeah.
from Holly. I think Holly sells it.
Damn, engine turns too easy.
Yeah, but
What's up? Get the balancer. Stock balancer. F-body balancer, right?
yeah.
You've ran these same F-body balancers on yours before and never had a problem, right?
I have never broke one.
Yeah.
Never broke one. So I recommend this guy to get this one. And I mean, it's only $80 from O'Reilly's.
Yeah.
Never had any problem.
Because the truck balancers stick out farther, don't
forward,
they?
yeah. And I mean, this is, I don't know, it looks brand new. It
Yeah.
don't even look like a Wingman. So I mean, for $80,
Yeah, I mean, you
That's
can't beat it.
yeah. And then don't matter where you put it, because it's not a.
Alright, the balancer's on and now we're able to tighten the timing cover down and it should be centered around the balancer. Rotate it.
Yeah, just make sure. I mean,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. Some guy was saying it like the engine was hard to turn when Tim was turning it. It's just the way Tim was
Doing
using the
it.
breaker bar that made it look
yeah,
hard.
Yeah.
That it's turning that easy with the
Just with the little.
valve train in it.
Yep.
So that's good. All right, what's next?
Take the work arms.
Let me go over here and see how much length this thing needs. And like that, and then that'll bolt up here on the cover.
Take one bolt. Oh, yeah, almost left that in there.
Take this one off. Right
Oh.
there. Here, so
Start over again.
yeah, so I had to make some modifications to this custom pointer right here, but we got it on there. So we use this to verify timing once it's in the car. So now we got to find top dead center on cylinder number 1, and we'll find our top dead center mark here on the balancer, and it'll be ready to go. So we got to get the piston stop next. So we disabled the rockers on cylinder number 1 because the valves can get in the way and give you a false top dead center reading whenever you're using one of these piston stops. As a matter of fact, I need to rotate the engine a little bit back this way.
To you?
Your way.
Gotcha.
Golden.
See? The stop, right? So we mark it. How we're going to look at it. So like,
Need light?
so remember it's on the top. So you can see the top. I'll send it back the other way.
Hang on, bud.
Push.
Stop.
That's a blue.
Mark it.
That's a blue. That's a blue.
Wait a minute.
Kind of a crude way, but it'll work. We'll put the point of the paper right there.
Just mark it and then use the tape measure to get it. Mark the other one too, because I think you're off a little bit.
Well, I want it to be on that
Oh, okay.
right there. Alright. So that's right in the middle. That fold.
Mark your, because you're still off.
You mean?
Yeah, like right here.
Yeah, I know. I know it's the edge.
Okay.
So,
Oh, I see. I see. Mark that center on the paper. There you go. Third mark.
so that'll be our top dead center mark right there in the middle. So we'll be able to verify timing and make sure it's at least close. If it's off 1 or 2 degrees, it's not a big deal, but if it's off more than that, then it becomes a big deal. Putting the new valve cover gasket on. Velcro.
Mm-hmm. Lifetime warranty.
Looks good. All right, that valve cover's on. We're gonna flip it over and put the oil pan on it.
Throw this and stuff.
What brand oil pan
Jegs.
is this? Is Jegs
Jegs.
brand?
$159, I think he paid.
Okay. It's already got the AM fittings. Over
This
here.
is a new version though, because the one that I got, the old one, they have this fitting like straight.
So it's probably actually hard to get a.
It was
fitting.
hard. No, this
But
is
now
easier.
this is better. I'm saying this is better now.
Yes.
The 90s on it.
Yes, because now all you do is just come straight
Mm-hmm.
to it. So, because it needs an external oil cooler.
You run an oil cooler?
Yes. I'm not on the.
You mean
external
the oil filter? Yeah.
Relocation. Yeah. I mean, I love the pan, so. I mean, for $160,
It's not bad.
it's not.
I think the Moroso pan for my engine costs a lot more than 160,
Yeah.
and it's the same thing.
And I never, like, I don't think we have the same problem, but I never had problems with mine. Like losing oil pressure. Only when you let off.
Yeah.
maybe. But
That's
that's
when-
just normal. But
Yeah, it's
it only
normal to
goes
see it
like
drop a
20,
little.
20.
Which the engine's not under any load, so it's not
No,
gonna hurt
just,
it.
it's just idle, so no pressure, nothing. And as soon as you rev it, it just whoop, goes
Yeah,
back.
the oil pressure comes back up.
I mean, I ran this oil pan for a year and a half. Never had starvation, nothing.
Yeah.
So I know it's a good oil pan. As long as you use the right pickup tube. I don't know if I can reach it. I don't know another one. But this. Yeah. I'll do another one. Hopefully.